Hello everyone, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. Let's make a handprint card for Father's Day. You will need a piece of construction paper or a cardstock paper, any color of your choice, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a black marker pen, a glue stick, and some colored markers. First, fold paper in half. Then trace your handprint on the spine here, like this. Then cut your handprint out. Don't cut on the spine here. Then set it aside. On the excess paper, draw a dinosaur neck and head shape like this. And cut the shape out. Draw a shape like this and cut the shape out. And glue the shape behind the body. Draw two eyes and a mouth on the head. Draw some dots on the body. Draw some dots on the body. If you have pom-poms at home, glue the pom-poms on the body like this. Open your card. Write a note inside, like Happy Father's Day. Like Happy Father's Day, or then your dynamite, like that. You just made a handprint Father's Day card for your dad. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.